Today we're going to be reading Alligators and Crocodiles by Gail Gibbons. Something glides slowly through the water, barely making a ripple. It is well hidden, looks like a bumpy, drifting log. Two eyes and a snout appear above the water. It is an alligator or a crocodile. Alligators and crocodiles are members of a group of reptiles called crocodilians. They are the closest living relatives of dinosaurs and the world's largest reptiles. According to paleontologists, alligators, crocodiles, and dinosaurs lived on Earth about 230 million years ago. About 65 million years ago, dinosaurs became extinct, but alligators and crocodiles continued to live. The word crocodile comes from the word crocodilios, which means lizard in Greek. The word alligator comes from el gardo, which means the lizard in Spanish. There are 2 different kinds of alligators and 14 different kinds of crocodiles. The only area inhabited by both alligators and crocodiles is the southern tip of Florida and the Florida Keys. Alligators and crocodiles usually live in climates where the water and air temperature are warm all year long. Some alligators live in the cooler climates where they must hibernate if it gets too cold. Look, it has a map. So this, my friends, is a diagram that shows their body, the difference between an alligator's body and a crocodile's body. So it looks like they both have strong jaws. Looks like they have a lot of similarities. This one has a narrow, long snout, and this one has a rounded snout. The alligator has a rounded snout. Alligators and crocodiles are carnivores. To catch their prey, they may stay perfectly still. When an animal comes near, snap! The animal is grabbed in a split second. Alligators and crocodiles may also swim slowly and quietly to their unaware prey and attack. Young alligators and crocodiles usually feed on small prey such as fish, frogs, and birds, using their powerful jaws and sharp teeth. Larger, older alligators and crocodiles may eat big animals such as raccoons and deer. Often they grab their prey and hold its nose underwater until the animal drowns. Also, they may leap to catch their prey. They eat by ripping the animal apart and swallowing the pieces whole. Alligators and crocodiles are good swimmers and spend most of their time in the water. They use their powerful, swishing tails to move forward. They are unable to steer their tails and back legs, but tucking in all 4 legs, they are able to swim faster. And on land, they can crawl, walk, and run. Sometimes they walk with their bodies high off the ground. This is called the high walk. Alligators and crocodiles are nocturnal. They see well in the dark. They also see far away very well. They cannot see well underwater. Nocturnal means being active at night. Crocodiles and alligators have excellent senses of smell. They also have excellent senses of hearing. They are able to pick up vibrations in the air or water using their ears as well as the shallow nerves on the top of their heads. Sensory pits on their bodies also help detect vibrations in the water. Vibrations alert them to any nearby prey. The thick, bony plates of American alligators and American crocodiles protect them. Alligators and crocodiles can make roaring, grumbling, and hissing sounds. When they are protecting their territory, they will puff out their necks to show that they are ready to fight. During mating season, males and the females communicate by making grunts, barks, and low rumbling sounds. Often they rub snouts, blow bubbles on the water's surface, and swim together in circles. Sometimes they will make sounds by clapping the surface of the water to attract a mate. They may mate underwater. A few weeks later, the females lay their eggs in nests where the eggs will be kept warm and protected. Mother alligators and crocodiles are also on the alert, guarding their nests to protect their young from any egg-eating animals, such as skunks and raccoons. Usually it takes about 65 days before the alligators and crocodiles' eggs begin to hatch. Newborns are called hatchlings. Most hatchlings are about 10 inches, 25.4 centimeters long. Within minutes of hatching, their mother takes them to the water. The female alligator and crocodile stay close to their young for about a year. They protect them from harm before the young ones go off on their own. Young alligators and crocodiles grow about 1 foot, 0.3 meters, a year for their first 6 years. As they get older, they grow slower. They continue to grow throughout their lives. Alligators and crocodiles use their strong legs, feet, and tails to dig holes in the muddy marshlands. The holes fill with water. Other wildlife living nearby will also make use of their water holes. American alligators and American crocodiles were hunted for hundreds of years for their meat and skin. Today it is illegal to hunt them, but humans are still their main enemy. People have developed areas where these large reptiles once lived. There are fewer and fewer places where alligators and crocodiles can live in their natural environment.
Fire.
Wildlife preserves have been created to protect them. Alligators and crocodiles have been around for millions of years. Now they are endangered. Endangered means threatened with extinction. The lives of these fascinating creatures should be respected. More about alligators and crocodiles. You can pause the video and read these to find some more interesting facts. Thanks for watching.